Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. And in this video, you will get very important and most awaited information, and that is the result of IIT Guwahati for the admission of MA in Development Studies. Yes, guys, yesterday IIT Guwahati published their MA selected candidates for development studies. And in this video, you will get very important information. And please watch this video till the end and share this video with your friends. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please share at least one. Okay, so let's start. Give me 1 second. And now you are able to see my laptop interface and cursor also. So this is the Department of Humanities and Social Science of IIT Guwahati, and I will tell you the detailed information about selected candidates of MA in Development Studies. Okay, so these are the professor's profile, and you will get detailed information about these selected candidates. Okay, so I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also, and watch this video till the end, and I think you can see this. Okay, so this is the notification of selected candidates. You can see this list of selected candidates. Okay, and how many students are there, I will tell you. Okay, so look, selected list of selected candidates for admission in MA program in the Department of Humanities and Social Science. Okay, so I think this information will help you a lot, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. Okay, and look, so this is serial number, how many students are selected, this is the roll number and name of the candidate and gender and this category, and in which category the students are selected and student type, and the admission is provisional. And already I have discussed about what is the meaning of provisional admission. And look, how many students are selected. Okay, so this 60 students, can you imagine, 60 students are selected for 2021 for July session. Okay, so for July session, so 60 students, and some students from ST background, and some students are in the SC category, and some students are OBC category and general category, EWS general category, and some students are non EWS category. Okay, so you can see the name if you are selected. So congratulations to all of you, the selected candidates, and my YouTube channel always will be here to help you. So I am very happy that IIT Guwahati published their list for MA admission for development studies, and I think most of the students of social science, they are they were waiting for this result, and 60 students, okay, are selected for this session now. And most of the students will take admission, but please student, those who will not take admission in this session, so already IIT Guwahati published their wait listed candidates. Okay, wait listed candidates, and all of you can see this name. Okay, so how many students are in the wait list? Okay, so 41 student. Okay, So like some students in the SC category, some students are ST category, some students are OBC category. Most of the students are in the OBC category. Large number of students are waitlisted, and non EWS general category candidates are also there. So if the students of this, if the students, suppose some general students will take admission in IIT Hyderabad, so the waitlisted candidates, okay, will get opportunity, to take admission. So this is the waitlisted candidates. Okay, suppose some student are absent, they are not willing to take admission in IIT Guwahati, so they will now the waitlisted candidates will get that opportunity to take admission. And I'm sure that some student, a few students of those who are in 5 to 6 in waitlisted serial number, so these students like Anisha and Parvati and these students, okay, so few students from the first section for general category, and one or two student, okay, one or two student, okay, one or two student from this to this will get opportunity. Okay, so waitlisted candidates, so the students who are in the waitlisted section, waitlisted category, so please stay connected with my YouTube channel. I will upload, I will give you each and every information. And look this, and I think you will be able to see my this PDF, MA admission round 1. What is the meaning of round 1? So this is the round 1. Okay, so most of the student will take admission because IIT Guwahati is a very good IIT. IIT Guwahati is a very good IIT for development studies, and I will give you the placement record of recent years, like for 2021 session. Okay, so I will tell you. So at least if you do your degree very honestly, sincerely, you will get placement, I guarantee you. Because IIT Guwahati, suppose, listen, in general degree college or university you will not get placement, but in IIT you will get placement. That is the difference. The degree you are taking, you are getting from university, and you are taking the degree from IIT. It is the biggest difference between IIT and university degree. Okay, so art students, I want to mean that arts background student, social science background student get an opportunity to get, or you will be able to get a job at your hand at the end of this course. But you should do your degree very honestly, sincerely. Okay, it is not like the degree from your university. In IIT you have to work hard, you have to put more hard work. Okay, so the students who are selected, already selected, 60 students are selected. Okay, 60 students, and you can see the name of these candidates. Okay, so I scroll down this okay, slowly, and you can see this. Okay, I think you can pause if you want to see your name in this section. Okay, you can pause the video and you can see your name and your friend's name. Okay, so this is the list of selected candidates. Okay, 60 students, and I am telling you guys, 5 students, at least 5 general category students, 5 general category student, okay, waitlisted candidate, they will get opportunity. Okay, this 5 or 6 student will get opportunity, and 2 to 4, okay, 2 to 4 OBC candidate, waitlisted candidate will get opportunity. Okay, because some student will take admission in other IITs. Okay, IIT Hyderabad is also very good, because IIT Hyderabad Hyderabad is a very first growing city. Okay, so and it is one type of industry built city. So the students will take admission in their MA in development studies in liberal arts in IIT Hyderabad. So they will not take admission in IIT Guwahati. Okay, so but IIT Guwahati is very good than IIT Hyderabad. Okay, so it is one of the finest IIT, and I will show you the ranking of recent ranking. Okay, I will show you the recent ranking, and you will be able to see that. Okay, so if you like this video, please share at least share one. Okay, so in any media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and YouTube also. So please share at least one. So you can see this. I think you can see this. QS World University Ranking. Already this ranking organization, okay, published 2022 ranking system, and in case of Indian ranking, it is second. Okay, it is second, and globally it is ranked 41 as a top research institute. You should remember this. As a top research institute, the rank of this IIT in India among other IITs and universities, as a research university, the rank of IIT Guwahati is 2, and global research ranking it is 41, and overall ranking, not like only the research parameter, but overall ranking in India it is 7, and in the world it is 395, and IIT Bombay is the top. My institute IIT Bombay is in the top. Okay, so I think all of you are now able to get very good information from my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this information with your friends, because humanities and social science YouTube channel always will be here to help you. Okay, so I think this information is very relevant information, and I think if you like this video, please share this video with your friends. Okay, so tata bye bye from my side, and I am telling you, waitlisted candidates will get opportunity. Okay, waitlisted candidates will get opportunity, and I am sure that this SC candidates like Ritika and Priya and Sudhanshu, these 3 candidates will get opportunity to take admission. It's one type of my assumption, so I can tell you, but I will not give you the guarantee, but it's my assumption, it's my knowledge. According to my knowledge, you will get opportunity. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful, and this is round 1 admission round. This is admission round 1. This is admission round 1. So you will get opportunity. Okay, you will get opportunity. Okay, so guys, thank you, all the best, tata bye bye from my side, and share this video with your friends. If you like this video, please share this video. Okay, tata bye bye from my side, all the best, Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.